A sellout, the president is not. So says Defense Secretary Lorenzana to allay fears and apprehensions of those who've prejudged the president's seeming inaction in further pursuing the country's claims on disputed territories in the South China Sea. PTV correspondent Lala Babilonia dwells further on the strategic move by the government to defer action while trying to engage China first in goodwill and under a friendlier climate.
President Rodrigo Duterte did not set aside the UN Arbitral Court ruling on the West Philippine Sea that gave Philippines the right in its own territory. This is what Secretary Lorenzana clarified earlier. The defense chief said that the Philippine government could not afford to wage war with China. That is why Duterte opted to perform a diplomatic approach and talk to Chinese President Xi Jinping. Lorenzana emphasized it turned out to be beneficial to the country because Chinese soldiers have then stopped harassing Filipino fishermen.
Now, there is a misperception among us, the Filipinos, that the president really set aside the ruling. That's not true. He said this many times in front of us that wag lang natin pag-usapan. Let's not talk about this for a while. Let us just manage the conflict with the Chinese.
Despite his statement, Lorenzana reiterated that the Philippine government will continue protesting against the illegal activities of China in the West Philippine Sea. In fact, the administration had filed a dozen of protests so far against China.
The thing here is we should protest. Because, you know, what happens if we do not protest is we just lose by default what belongs to us.
For PTV News, Lala Babilonia.